Hello.
Hi there, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day at this college.
Oh, welcome. I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from Turkey. How do you like the college so far?
It's really nice. People are friendly here.
That's true. Do you like studying English?
Yes, I love learning new languages.
That's great. Maybe we can practice English together.
Sure, that sounds fun.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music. What about you?
I like playing football and watching movies.
Nice. Maybe we can watch a movie together sometime.
That would be great. Let's do that. Hey Emma, good morning.
Hi, Daniel. Good morning to you too. How are you today?
I'm doing great, just a little sleepy. I stayed up late watching a movie.
Oh, really? What movie did you watch?
It was an action movie called Fast Journey. Have you seen it?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really exciting. Maybe we can watch it together next time.
That sounds nice. I'd love to.
So, how are your classes going so far?
Pretty good. The teachers are kind, and I'm learning a lot.
That's great. Are you taking any English classes?
Yes, I have one every morning at 9 o'clock.
Oh, same here. Maybe we're in the same class.
Really? That would be awesome.
Yeah, let's check the classroom number after lunch.
Sure, let's do that. By the way, do you want to grab coffee later?
That sounds perfect. I love coffee.
Great. Let's meet at the campus cafe around 3 p.m. See you, Daniel.
Deal. See you then.
Hey, Daniel. Over here.
Hi Emma. Wow, you got here early.
Yeah, I finished my class a little early today.
Nice. I just came from the library. It's quiet there.
Oh, I love the library. I like reading when it's peaceful.
Me too. Do you read English books?
Yes, I try to. It helps me learn new words.
That's smart. What kind of books do you like?
Mostly novels and short stories. What about you?
I like books about self-improvement and success.
Oh, that's interesting. Do you read every day?
I try to read at least 20 minutes a day.
That's a good habit. I should do that too.
Smalls, we can start a reading challenge together.
That sounds fun. We can share what we learn each week.
Deal. So, what do you usually do after classes?
I go for a walk or watch English videos on YouTube.
Same here. I like listening to podcasts in English.
That's a great idea. It helps with listening skills.
Exactly. Learning English is easier when it's fun.
You're right. I enjoy practicing with friends like you.
Thanks, Emma. I enjoy talking with you too.
Maybe next time, we can practice in English only.
Challenge accepted. Let's do it.
Perfect. Now, let's order some coffee.
Let's go.
This coffee smells amazing.
Yeah, it's really good. I come here almost every week.
I can see why. It's quiet and comfortable.
Exactly. It's a nice place to think and relax.
Daniel, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
What's your biggest dream?
Good question. I want to travel the world and speak English fluently.
That's wonderful. Traveling and learning at the same time.
Yeah, how about you? What's your dream, Emma?
I want to become an English teacher one day.
Really? That's amazing. Why teaching?
Because I love helping people learn. It feels so good to see someone improve.
That's beautiful. I think you'll be a great teacher.
Thank you, Daniel. That means a lot.
You're welcome. I believe everyone should have a dream.
Yes, dreams give us energy to keep going.
Exactly. Even small steps can lead to big changes. And you're doing great.
True, learning English is my first step to reaching that dream.
Every time we talk, your English sounds better.
Thank you. I'm trying my best every day.
That's the spirit. Consistency is everything.
You're right. One day, we'll both reach our goals.
Definitely. Let's keep learning and never give up.
Deal. Now let's enjoy this moment and our coffee.
Agreed. Cheers to dreams and learning English.
Cheers. Daniel, if you could visit any country, where would you go first?
I think Japan. I love their culture, food, and technology.
That's interesting. I want to visit Italy. I love the art and history there.
Italy sounds amazing. I've seen pictures of Rome and Venice.
Yes, it looks beautiful. I want to walk on the old streets and eat real Italian pizza.
I'd love that too. Traveling makes life more colorful.
Exactly. It helps us see how big and different the world is.
And English connects all those people. That's why learning it is so important.
You're right. With English, we can talk to anyone, from any country.
Yes, it's like a bridge between cultures.
I feel so lucky to learn it. Every word I learn opens a new door.
That's a beautiful way to say it, Emma. Learning never ends.
True. Even native speakers keep learning new words every day.
That's what I love about learning. It keeps your mind alive.
I agree. By the way, do you think we'll meet again here next week?
Of course. I'd love that. We can practice more and talk about new topics.
Perfect. I'll bring my notebook and some questions.
And I'll bring motivation and coffee.
Deal. I had such a great time today. Thank you, Daniel. You make learning fun and easy.
Me too, Emma. Talking with you always inspires me. I'm glad. Let's keep chasing our dreams one conversation at a time.
Absolutely. And to everyone watching, never stop learning English.
Yes, keep practicing, stay confident. And remember to subscribe to Learning English with 252.
See you in the next week.
Bye for now.